In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Proton VPN on Windows 10 in 2026 and the one important setting you should enable immediately after installation to better protect your privacy. First, make sure you download the official Proton VPN installer from the Proton VPN website. And once the download is complete, you can open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the applications on your Windows 10 computer. So after installation, launch the Proton VPN app and sign in using your Proton account. So if you don't already have an account, you can create one before logging in. So before connecting to a VPN server, go to settings. The first setting you should enable is the kill switch. So this is one of the most important security features because it blocks your internet connection. If the VPN unexpectedly disconnects without it, your device could briefly reconnect through your normal internet connection, exposing your real IP address. Next, choose whether you want Proton VPN to automatically connect when Windows starts. So enable to do that, go to the auto startup and make sure you enable the auto connect because enabling auto connect is a good option if you regularly use public Wi-Fi or want your connection protected as soon as your computer boots up. Now, return to the main screen and click the connect. Once connected successfully, verify that your connection is active by checking the Proton VPN shows a secure status. So, as a final step, open your browser and check for your public IP address using a trusted IP lookup website. So, if the displayed location matches the VPN server instead of your real location, your VPN is working correctly. So keeping Proton VPN updated and enabling important security features like kill switch will help you get the best protections every time you go online. And that's how you install Proton VPN on Windows 10 in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.